Welcome to Biz AIO. In this video, from the left sidebar, navigate to the ERP module, go to the Finance section, and click on Invoices. You can also define a date range using the duration field, search by client name, or use the search bar to find specific payment details. Alternatively, you can filter the results by project or status. To create an invoice, click on Create Invoice and fill in the necessary details. Select the invoice type, enter the invoice number, invoice date, and due date, and set the exchange rate. Choose the client, project, and specify tax preference, example, after discount or before discount. Select the appropriate bank account, and optionally add a signature from the side options. Fill in the tax number, billing address, and shipping address. Then, either select a product or manually add an item. You can also include a thank you note or terms and conditions, and upload any relevant files. You can see notification permissions, or you can also choose to save and send the invoice immediately or save it as a draft to send later. From the Action button, you can perform various tasks such as edit, view, download, view PDF, send, mark as sent, cancel, delete, or create duplicate. Next, Recurring Invoice. Click on Recurring Invoice. Here, you can view all recurring invoices based on their time duration or status, and use the search bar to find a specific entry. Use the Filter button to sort invoices by project or status. To add a recurring invoice, click on Recurring Invoice and fill in the necessary details, including the selected client, project, currency, and tax preference, example after tax or before tax. Choose the appropriate account, add a signature, and enter tax numbers. Clients also have the option to stop recurring billing. Fill in the billing and shipping addresses, start date, and total count. Then, select a product or manually add an item, and include any notes or terms and conditions. Once done, click Save to save the recurring invoice. From here, you can view the status, as well as edit, view, or delete the entry, or export the data to an Excel file. You can click on the question mark icon to learn how the invoice lifecycle works. And that's how you view and manage invoices in Biz AIO. Stay organized and get paid on time with easy invoicing. To get started, go to the Settings menu from the left sidebar. Then select Payment Credentials. Check the PayPal status box to enable the gateway. Select the environment, Live or Sandbox, then enter your Sandbox PayPal client ID and secret. Copy the webhook URL and add it to your PayPal app's webhook settings. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Here, you can choose other payment methods like Stripe, Paystack, Square, Payfast, offline payment, and more. To add an offline method, click Add Offline Method at the top of the screen, enter the details, and click Save to apply. From the Action button, you can edit or delete payment methods. That's it. Your payment credential settings are now configured and ready to use on your platform. To get started, click on Settings from the sidebar. Now scroll down and select Finance Settings from the list. Under the Finance Settings panel, the first tab is Invoice Settings. Here you can upload your company's invoice logo and authorize signatory. Specify how many days after the invoice date it's due, and set reminders accordingly. Enable or disable invoice details like tax number, status, and additional client information like email, phone number, and address. Once done, click Save to save the details. Next is the Invoice Template tab. Customize the layout and format of your invoice template here to match your branding. Once done, click Save to save the template. In the Prefix Settings tab, define unique prefixes for your invoices, estimates, or other financial documents. Set the prefix, separator hash, and digit count to see a sample on the right. Repeat for all, then click Save to apply. To add a unit, click the Unit tab at the top, then click Add Unit. Enter the unit type and click Save to save it. From Action button you can edit the unit. If you're using QuickBooks, go to QuickBooks Settings. It supports one-way sync. Invoices or payments created here will also be created in QuickBooks. Click Status, select the environment, enter your client ID and client secret, or copy the QuickBooks URL. Click Save to apply the changes. Under Tax Numbers, enter the tax type, label, and value. You can add multiple tax number tabs. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. In the form, enter the payment method name, bank account details, and then add a label and value. You can add multiple labels and values as needed to capture all necessary payment details. Once all required information is entered, click the Save button to store the payment method successfully. You can edit or delete any payment method by clicking the Edit or Delete icons next to the respective entry. To access tax settings, go to Settings from the sidebar and select Tax Settings. Click Add Tax to create a new tax. Enter the tax name, age, service tax, and the rate as a percentage. Click Save when done. Use the Action button to edit or delete asset types. That's how easily you can manage tax settings in BizAIO.